In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Amazon influencers step by step, focusing on the Amazon Influencer Program. Amazon offers a unique platform through which influencers can curate and recommend products, providing a lucrative opportunity for both influencers and sellers. Whether you're a seller looking to collaborate or curious about how this system works, this video will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, let's begin by heading over to Amazon's website. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. You'll notice the familiar array of products and deals the online retail giant is known for. This website serves as your gateway to exploring the various influencer storefronts available on Amazon. Here, we'll be searching for those unique influencers who are making waves by sharing their favorite finds. Now, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your Amazon account. Having an account isn't solely for making purchases, it also personalizes your browsing experience, potentially optimizing your search results when looking for influencers. Once logged in, you should redirect yourself back to the Amazon homepage. You can do this quickly by clicking on the Amazon logo found at the top of the page, which acts as a home button. You may wonder, why go back to the homepage? This is your starting point for finding influencer stores, as the Amazon interface is structured to branch out from this central hub. The next step is to utilize the search function. In the search bar at the top center of the page, type in Amazon Influencer Store. This query will help you locate those curated pages managed by influencers. Each influencer's store is essentially a customized showcase designed by them, where they recommend products to their followers. This is where the influencer's personal flair and expertise shine through, helping you determine whether their style aligns with your needs or the needs of your potential collaborations. Once you conduct the search, browse through the options available. You'll notice a variety of influencer stores displaying carefully selected items. Explore these stores to familiarize yourself with how different influencers approach product curation. Pay attention to their selection, presentation, and how their personality comes through in their recommendations. This exploration not only gives you insight into potential trends, but also helps identify influencers whose audiences align with your products if you're a seller looking to collaborate. Understanding the nuances of how influencers curate their content is crucial for leveraging their reach and influence effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these steps helpful in navigating Amazon's influencer program. Whether you're a seller, a potential influencer, or simply curious, this program offers exciting possibilities worth exploring. Happy browsing!